welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all doing good. Wagwan, what's going on? You know, so me come back, me I drop a next one for now, and this one is about basically I know some have locks. This locks is about, I think this year make 2 years since I actually start locking my hair. So because I was working in the kitchen area of things, you know, my head was always being covered and everything like that, sweaty and all those things. Sometimes too much moisture isn't good for your hair, so that was kind of keeping my hair low. Whenever they make it grow, basically, I mean, I try to say whenever they grow, right? So after I stopped working into the kitchen like within like about 6 months down the line, it started to, you know, spring up more and started to grow a little bit faster, but it's not growing as fast as how I want to do. So I decided I'm going to try a few little experiments with my hair. I want to color it once, red color. I do black, but I only bleach it once. I ever bleach it, and that was like last year December. So this year probably planning on doing the next bleach again, red, same color, I'm not gonna change. Oh, in your hot for some reason, in your hot, nobody me, I'm in the bathroom. So yeah, so I only do one color before, but never really do that much of anything really, more than just keep like a decent routine, like, you know, wash at least every 2 weeks, sometime a month, because depending on the growth and when I retwist and stuff like that. Me use olive oil, me use castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, me use shea butter. A lot of people don't use shea butter in them hair, but it's also good, so me also use that into my hair as well. What else I can't think of I'm using in my hair? Yeah, nothing right now. It's not about, basically that's gonna be a separate video. It's not really about what I use in my hair video, but this video is about something that I've seen going around on YouTube. I don't know how long ago, but I recently, you know, researching a few stuff and end up finding it, and I decided I'm gonna try it, and it is the rice water. So yes, the rice water, right? And locks. Well, I have researched a few, but I don't see a lot of people using the rice water on their locks, but I'm gonna try it and see how it works. So this rice water I made about 2 days ago. You know, they cook rice. I'm decided to say, okay, rice water, and so I just, you know, pour out after I rinse it off. The first time, make the rice sit into the water for like about 8 minutes, and then we strain the water and, you know, just let it sit into this jar in the kitchen for about 2 days. So I don't know how it smells now after 2 days, and I'm just gonna put it into this spray bottle. I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair. I'm gonna wash it out, wash my hair or anything. I do anything to it, I'm just gonna spray it, and then me use this cap and put over it, and I'll let it sit in my ear for, they said some they can do it for like 20 minutes, but I have a few things, editing stuff need to do, so at least an hour or so, you know, until I'm ready to go take a shower, then me rinse that out. I'm gonna try use this for a month, and then make a next update to let you guys know how it works, and if there's any changes, if there's any length difference or anything with locks. Right, I guess after this wash I probably retwist my hair. I don't know if you can see it, I have a lot of new growth to go on. I probably retwist it this time after I wash out this and, you know, do my routine same. I'm still gonna put my oil into my hair because I don't want my hair to dry, otherwise it could break, and I don't want that to happen, if you can see it. And the biggest concern about it is I need some part in the middle here need for grow, and for some reason it not grow like the front, you know what I mean? So that's the next thing I'm gonna focus on. But yeah, let's throw this into the, no more wasting any time. Let's throw this into the bottle, spray up my hair, cover it, and get right into it. So now I smell the water after 2 days being, you know, after 2 days it sits down, the water sit down. Anyway, after 2 days I put it into the jar to sit. That was one of my biggest concerns too as well, if it never really smell bad after 2 days, but it doesn't smell that bad. it just smells stale, but it doesn't smell awful. So it's important here. And then say after you use the first round and you still have some more leave, if you want you can put it into the fridge. I think then you can put it into the fridge for up to a week or 2 weeks, depending. Let me see if I want it, because my locks I could take a lot. Right, so before I do that, I can't find my measuring tape, so this is what we're gonna do and measure it. This is what we're gonna do and measure it. So the first set of row of my locks at the front. So if you can't see that, so this is the first set, and push these back. Yeah, my hair are growing up, but it's a bit stubborn. I need to grow faster. Anyway, this is the first set of locks at the front. Right, since me now know, I have to go off of the video next time, look on it to see if there is any difference. So since me now have any tape measure, me now no measuring tape, me just have to use this one. So if me stretch it, it goes, I don't know if you guys can see that, it goes right, most of them go right for my top lip. Most of them go right for my top lip. Right, I don't know if you hear my husband in the background. I watch some kind of anime and my green off in teeth in 3210 them. I'm gonna hold it right this way. See? Right above my top lip, probably my line, and just a little bit right here. So this is what I'm going to measurement with. I know I'm going to do the back, but let's see if we can just do the back of it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Okay guys, so I'm all done with spraying my hair. I'm just put this wrap over it for the ceiling. All of the, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, so one of the components them say with the protein, with the rice water, is that it has protein into it. So hopefully my hair, because I notice some hair type is resistant to the protein, they can't take as much protein as some other hair type. So hopefully my hair needs the protein for it to grow, and it will grow. So this is the amount that I have leave after spraying, so probably about half bottle. So what I'm gonna do is when I rinse this out, I rinse it out with water, and then I just spray it again, spray it till it's finished, because I have a next set of rice water. Yes, that's about it. Me see you back within a month and me tell you how the progress is. You know what I mean? Me tell you how the progress is, and me show you a before and after picture of now and then. So them say it good for face too, like a face cleanser. I think them say good for as well. In Jamaica, if you use rice water and wash your face, all people used to say we see dopey, you see ghosts. Right, so I don't know about the face cleansing type of thing with rice water. Not to say it's, you know, it's not a myth or whatever, but I'm not gonna try it. Me just stick with just doing it with the hair, and that's it. But yes, I'll see you in my next video a month from now for the update of this video. So thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe. Come in and know where you're waiting for now. But anyway, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and comment below if you have any ideas or have anything that you want to say about this whole miracle water, as what them call it. You know what I mean? Rice water, as what them call it. But yes, I'll see you later in my next video. Alright, later, I'm gone.